steps.
You gonna help Eliana? You wanna tap her back?
Help burp her.
Yeah, can you pat her on the back, Ellie? Can you pat her? Very
Good
nice.
job.
Who is that, Eliana? Baby.
Ellie, can you say Juliana? Juliana.
Juliana.
That's your cousin. Your cousin, Juliana. That's right, gentle.
Give her a kiss. You're so happy to see her.
With all this stuff.
It's not in the picture.
You want to take your bib off?
There you go. Now I just got the girls in the picture.
Here, let me take the picture bib off.
Bless you.
Why? No, don't take her bib off.
Yeah, so we can take a picture without it. And then I'll put it back.
It's just a video.
Oh, wait, am I in the video? Yes. Wow.
What do you think, Ellie? Eliana, can you give Juliana a kiss? Kiss the baby? Very gentle.
Ah.
Oh, that's very nice. I don't think she needs it on the mouth. You could probably kiss her like cheek or something.
She likes being kissed.
Her head is soft, isn't it? No, not eye.
Yeah.
You're right, that is her eye. But where is her ear?
Where's the baby's ear? Oh, she was trying to say hi to you. Where's the baby's nose? Oh,
And here comes the spit up. Okay. Sorry, I thought they were taking a picture. I took it off.
Oh, it's okay. It's just a video. Yeah.
There we go.
Okay. Okay, the end.